In this video, I will show you how we can apply everything we have learned with the previous hexagon modeling exercise and create a stool we could sit on. So we will create a new scene. Units we set to imperial, length to inches. Again, we will start with a circle. We will set this to 6, radius to, I just type in 5 right now. And I know that along the x-axis, this actually should be 11.75. When I press N with this one selected, there now I can see x is actually 8.66. So it should be 11.75. So I could, for example, scale this till, yeah, I only see 11.7. How do I get 11.75? That's actually easy. So for this dimension, I type in 11.75 straight. Enter. And you see now here this number changed. If I click in, there I can see the complete value. All I need to do is I move my mouse over this area and then Control-C, Control-V, Control-V, and paste this in. Very good. We will apply the scale, since we know this is important for all the other modifiers. In edit mode, with everything selected, we press F to close it. E, this actually goes up, so I don't have to press Z. And the length will be 16.5. Enter. And then this we can scale just a little bit. Very good. We can call this bottom and hide it for the moment. Let's make another one. So x in this case should be 12.5. And then Control-C, Control-V, Control-V, and apply edit mode F, E, 16.5, enter. And then we scale this a little bit. Object mode. So you see here I make two individual objects. I don't make a linked one. And that's on purpose. The whole object has a height of 16.7. I created this from a circle. So the object center is right at the bottom, which means Control-C, Control-V. I can move this one up. Then any of those 180, X or Y, and Z 90. Oh, this is actually the bottom, so let's undo. Wait. Oh no, this is the bottom. Sorry, my fault. This is the top. Okay, so again, bring this up. 180 and 90. There we are. Good. So the bottom, there we will give this a Boolean modifier. Cut this one out. Intersect. Yeah, this looks, yeah, okay. So let's see, what can we do here to, I want to get this triangle more to the bottom. So edit mode, let's scale this. So I press Tab and S and left mouse button click. Okay, what about, you can also go into here, Tab S, scale this one down. There you can see how I'm bringing actually these edges down. Okay. Yeah. This length here, that should be around 14.5. Let's turn on the measurement tool. Left mouse button click, hold control. Hold control, 14.9, so a little bit too low. Making this a little bit smaller. And you see how I'm changing that angle, but I want these to be really nice and small. So now I can see, yeah, what that is. Okay. So these faces are actually more angled simply because of how I rotated this. This is nice. Now this got really short. To make this a little bit longer, I have now to select the other one, edit mode in here. There you can see how this goes up. Very good. So let's try this. Yeah, so it's actually a little bit too long. Yeah, there we are. 4.6, 4.5. Okay, delete. Very good. So dimension-wise, this is pretty nice. Okay. Next step. Scale is good. Solidify 0.25 of an inch. Complex. There we have the inside. That is good. Very nice. We can give this a bevel modifier, 2 millimeters. So we just break it to a little small, 3 millimeters, 10. This looks fine. But I will turn this off for the moment, because what I would like to do now is create the opening for the hand. Add cube. Along the X, we make this 3.5 inches. Along the Y, 0.75. Along the Z, 2 inches. And along Y, I move this one out. Go to edit mode, edge select. Select the 4 edges. Give everything a weight, or type in enter and 1. Type in 1 and enter. Bevel. So when the thickness is 0.75, maximum would be 0.355. 0.25 is good. And 10 method weight. Okay, something is odd. Well, we still have actually a scale factor here. Apply scale, there we are. Shade smooth. Auto smooth, there we are. Okay, so how do we get this now to here and perfectly rotate it? Check this out. Bring this one up. R and X, rotate this a little bit. Snap to the face and align rotation to target. And you see now how could I say that? So I'm still in move mode, and I move this to it, and I want it to snap onto the face. Hold Control, and there it instantly rotates it. Very good. So one more time. I can press along the green arrow, left mouse button, hold it clicked, drag, hold Control, release the left mouse button. Then I can turn local, turn this back off, go to wireframe mode, there. Vertex select, move this up, hold Control, snap. So it's now lined up to this edge, and go move this down along Y, and here minus 1.5, enter. And then I can slide this one in. So it's kind of like 50%. I need another one on the other side. mirror modifier. This is along Y. There we are. Let's call this one handle. Can hide it. And here, this one gets another Boolean command, handle. There, right click, shade smooth. Oh yeah, we have this already all set. There's an interesting shading artifact going on there. Let's take a look where this is coming from. So this is all correct. Very good. Shade smooth. Oh, this is not turned on. There. Okay, there we are. Beautiful. So you see, this is a variation of the hexagon container, but instead of using a linked copy, we just use a normal duplicate, and then we can scale each one individually, and then this way create a non-uniform result by now the top and the smaller the bottom face having different sizes. And then we use the snap to face via the rotation to put then a handle right onto the face, move it in, and then cut it out. To make this a tick more comfortable, since this is a sharp edge, we could go ahead and add now a bevel command, 1 millimeters, only 2 sharp edges, 10. Yeah, there we are. Now there you can see how this is nicely rounded. Okay, very good. That's it.